This job is for AWS Cloud Architect at Infosys in Sydney, Australia. This is a full-time mid-senior level hybrid role. Infosys is a global leader in next-generation digital services and consulting, enabling clients in 50 countries to navigate their digital transformation. With over 3 decades of experience in managing the systems and working of global enterprises, Infosys expertly steer their clients through their digital journey. They are looking for candidates who have deep understanding of different AWS services, proficiency in designing scalable, fault-tolerant, and highly available cloud architectures, familiarity with infrastructure provisioning and management tools like AWS CloudFormation or Terraform, strong knowledge on AWS networking concepts, and expertise in implementing security best practices on AWS, understanding of DevOps practices such as CCID and infrastructure automation, knowledge of different storage options, proficiency in monitoring and logging tools, both native and third party, and also the ability to identify performance bottlenecks and optimize costs or end performance. If you are interested in this role, please visit Infosys Australia's website and apply from there. Thank you.